Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to choose an excellent oxygen tank for your fishing needs. Selecting the right tank is crucial for keeping your catch healthy and vibrant. You'll want to think about how long your fishing trips typically last, as this will influence the ideal tank capacity. Also, consider the tank's material, as this impacts both its weight and its resistance to corrosion, making it easier to handle and more durable over time. A good tank ensures your fish thrive. Oxygen tanks come in various materials, with aluminum and steel being the most common. Aluminum tanks are often preferred for their lighter weight, making them easier to transport, and their excellent resistance to rust. Steel tanks, on the other hand, are known for their superior durability and can typically hold oxygen at higher pressures. Your choice will depend on whether portability or ruggedness is your top priority for your fishing adventures. Beyond the tank itself, several key features ensure optimal performance. A high-quality regulator is essential for maintaining a consistent and safe flow of oxygen to your live well, preventing sudden surges or drops. Accurate pressure gauges allow you to easily monitor how much oxygen remains, so you are never caught unprepared. Additionally, a good diffuser creates fine bubbles, maximizing oxygen absorption by your fish for their well-being. Proper maintenance and safety are paramount for any oxygen system. Always inspect your tank regularly for any signs of damage or leaks, ensuring its integrity. Store your oxygen tank upright in a cool, dry, and well-ventilated area, away from direct sunlight or heat sources. When transporting, secure the tank firmly to prevent it from rolling or falling. Always follow the manufacturer's specific guidelines for refilling and safe operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.